Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Tiebout model of public goods. This model is given by American economist Tiebout. According to Tiebout, if public goods are provided by a large number of local government, then people have so many choices. According to Tibu, if public goods are provided by a large number of local government, then people have so many choices. They can move from one locality to other locality. Means if people don't like provision of public good in one locality, then they can migrate in other locality. Now we will understand this model with the help of one example. Suppose there is two kinds of family. First is N families with kids. Second is N1 families without kids. In this family only have senior citizens. Here U means utility, PS means public school facilities, PH means public health facilities, for example government school. This family give importance to both public school as well as public health facilities. Obviously this family have so many kids. On the other hand, this family only give importance to public health facilities. This family don't have any value for public school facilities because in this family only consist senior citizens, no any kids. So there are two kind of locality, locality A and locality B. Locality A have so many government school and hospitals, and locality B have so many government hospital and only few government school. And according to this model, family N should move in A locality because A locality is suitable for N families. On the other hand, family N1 should move in B locality because B locality is suitable for N1 families. Here MBA is marginal benefit received from locality A and MBB is marginal benefit received from locality B. According to this model, before enter to any locality, people should consider tax structure of locality. According to this model, before entering to any locality, people should consider tax structure of this locality. Means people should minus tax cost from benefit. Here MBA is benefit from locality A and TA is tax cost of locality A. Similar, MBB is a benefit of locality B and TB is a tax cost of locality B. And free migration will happen if tax cost of locality A is equal to tax cost of locality B. Now with the help of this diagram, we will clearly understand this model. Here we have three panels A, B and C. On x-axis of each panel we have quantities, y-axis we have tax or we can say the price. First of all, we are going to talk about panel B. Here we assume we have three individuals. D1 is the demand curve of first individual, D2 is demand curve of second individual, D3 is demand curve of third individual, and sigma D is total or we can say aggregate demand curve. E is our equilibrium point, and at this equilibrium point is equilibrium quantities OQ2. Means in B locality actual public goods are available at OQ2 quantity, but our first individual only need OQ1 quantities. Because of under provision, our first individual is getting loss equal to 145. Our first individual only need OQ1 quantities of public good, but actual public goods available at OQ2 quantity. Because of over provision, our first individual is getting loss equal to 145, this part. And our third individual need OQ3 goods but actually getting OQ2. Because of under provision, our third individual is getting loss equal to 1, 2, 3. Only our second individual is satisfied. He need OQ2 quantity of goods and actually he is getting O2 quantity of goods. According to this model, in order to reduce welfare loss of each individual, there should be three different localities. Locality A, locality B and locality C. Locality A should have a provision of OQ1 quantities of public goods. And those families who are like this first person, they need only OQ1 quantities of public good, they should migrate in A locality. You can see sigma D1 is aggregate demand curve of all families who are like our first person. And B locality have a provision of OQ2 quantities of public goods. That's why all families, those who are like our second person, they need OQ2 quantities of public good. They should migrate in this locality. Here E D2 is demand curve of all families who are like our second person. And and C locality have a provision of OQ3 public goods. That's why all family, those who are like our third person, they need OQ3 quantities of public good. They should migrate in C locality. And sigma D3 is aggregate demand curve of all families who are like our third person. So this is all about Tiebout models. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.